$300,000 for an SUV. Sounds absolutely insane, right? But what if I told you the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 might actually justify that crazy price tag? Stick around because by the end of this video, you might be surprised by what you get for your money. So Mercedes just dropped the GLS 800, and the biggest shock isn't the price, it's what's under the hood. Twin-turbo V12 engine pumping out 800 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right. This luxury SUV does 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars. But here's the crazy part. You're doing it while sitting in hand-stitched leather getting a full body massage. Best of both worlds. Let's talk about what this thing looks like. Because honestly, it's commanding. That illuminated Maybach grille. The two-tone paint options. 24-inch forged wheels, it just screams presence. The quad exhaust tips aren't just for show either. This thing actually uses all that power. Does it look 3 times better than a $100,000 SUV? Maybe not. But wait until you see the interior. This is where Maybach really separates itself from everything else. The rear seats are basically first-class airline pods that recline almost flat. Heat, cool, and massage you. There's a champagne fridge, folding wood tables, and dual 13-inch entertainment screens. Every single thing you touch is hand-stitched Napa leather and hand-finished wood. They offer unlimited customization options. Want your interior to match your yacht? They'll do it. This isn't mass production. This is a custom SUV built specifically for you. And here's something cool. The Burmester sound system has 31 speakers, including ones in the headrests. It's like wearing the world's best headphones, except you're not wearing anything. Now here's what really impressed me. Despite having a massive V12 and weighing over 6,000 pounds, this thing handles surprisingly well. Mercedes gave it e-active body. Control that scans the road ahead and adjusts before you hit bumps. Potholes literally disappear. The ride quality is genuinely smoother than most private jets. That's not an exaggeration. But let's get real for a second. Is it actually worth $300,000? Here's my honest take. If you're comparing it to a regular luxury SUV, absolutely not. You can get something for 1/3 of the price that does most of what this does. But if you're looking at its actual competitors, the Bentley Bentayga Speed, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, then yeah, it's competitive. And it offers something they can't match. 800 horsepower and German reliability. That's a huge advantage. What you're really paying for isn't just an SUV. You're buying 800 horses wrapped in handcrafted luxury. You're buying a vehicle that can embarrass supercars, then pamper you like royalty. You're buying exclusivity and the ability to spec something truly unique. Plus, and this is important, Mercedes reliability versus British exotics, that's a no-brainer. So my final verdict? If you have to ask if it's worth it, it's probably not for you. But if you're someone who values true craftsmanship, wants the most powerful luxury SUV on earth, and has the means to make it happen, the 2026 GLS 800 is honestly one of the most impressive machines you can buy right now. Mercedes took the already incredible GLS 600 and made it absolutely perfect. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think any SUV is worth $300,000, or is this just ridiculous? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'm genuinely curious what you think. And if you found this review helpful, smash that subscribe button because we're covering more luxury vehicles like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.